Changing market, right? We just talked about post-COVID, right? During post-COVID, sellers didn't do anything. They said, I want top dollar, I want you to remove everything, and I want you to give me all my money. Well, times have changed. Sellers are willing to play ball. 95% of sellers are doing some sort of repairs prior to listing their house. Not bad. Willing to put some work in, skin in the game to sell the property, doing some sort of updating or some sort of repairs. It's a big change from when we were at post-COVID. So is the market still heating up? Sure, but are we seeing a more healthy market? I keep saying it over and over for you. A healthy, normal real estate market. Sellers got to play ball, buyers got to play ball, and now it's all about negotiations. And you better get the best negotiator you're looking at them to work with you, because at the end of the day, this is what we do. We negotiate, okay? One of our best and strongest skill sets is negotiations. If your agent's not comfortable negotiating, guess what? You're not gonna get what you deserve. So always know that we're in a healthy market. We're seeing repairs being done from sellers. We're seeing buyers asking for repairs and seller credits. And it's now coming down to how good is your agent negotiations, because now this is where the money gets made. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data, you bring the decision.